Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we will learn how to write a UK student visa cover letter step by step. If you are applying for a UK student visa, a well-written cover letter helps present your application clearly and professionally to the visa officer. This letter explains your study plans, your academic background, your financial arrangements, and your intentions after completing your studies. A strong cover letter helps show that your application is genuine, organized, and fully supported by evidence. So here is how you write it. The first part of the letter is your contact information. For example, Daniel Christopher Evans, 145 Wellington Road, Toronto, Ontario M5V 2T6, Canada. Phone +141655 57821. Email daniel.evans@email.com. This identifies you as the visa applicant. Make sure this information matches all supporting documents. After your contact details, write the date. For example, May 11th, 2026. This shows when your cover letter was prepared. It should always be recent and close to your visa submission date. Addressing the visa authority. Next, write Entry Clearance Officer, UK Visas and Immigration. This is the official authority responsible for processing your student visa application. Writing this correctly keeps your letter formal and properly addressed. Now write the subject line. Example, subject, cover letter for UK student visa application. This immediately tells the visa officer the purpose of your letter. It keeps your application clear and professionally structured. The salutation. Begin with, Dear Sir or Madam. This is the standard formal greeting for UK visa correspondence. It is appropriate because the reviewing officer's name is usually unknown. Opening paragraph, state your purpose. Now begin by clearly stating why you are writing. Example, I am writing to submit my application for a UK student visa to pursue my studies at the University of Manchester in the United Kingdom. This immediately introduces your purpose. It tells the visa officer exactly what your application is about. Introduce yourself. Next, provide your personal identification details. For example, my name is Daniel Christopher Evans, born on March 15, 2004, a citizen of Canada, holding passport number CA7845123. This confirms your identity and allows the visa officer to match your letter with your official records. Accuracy here is essential. State your admission details. Now explain your university admission. Include course name, institution name, start date, end date, CAS number. For example, I have been offered admission to study Master of Science in Data Science at the University of Manchester. My course is scheduled to commence on the 20th of September, 2026, and conclude on the 30th of September, 2027. My confirmation of acceptance for studies reference number is CAS 987654321. This is one of the most important parts of your cover letter. Your CAS reference confirms that you have been officially accepted by a licensed UK educational institution. All details must exactly match your CAS document. Explain why you chose the United Kingdom. Now explain your academic reason for choosing the UK. For example, I have chosen to study in the United Kingdom because of its globally recognized education system and the academic reputation of the University of Manchester in data science. This helps show that your decision is based on educational goals. Visa officers want clear academic motivation. Be specific and connect your reason to your chosen course. Explain your career goals. Next, explain how the program supports your long-term plans. For example, this program will provide me with the knowledge and professional skills necessary to achieve my long-term career goal of becoming a senior data analyst in Canada's financial technology sector. This shows purpose and direction. It demonstrates that your studies are part of a clear professional plan. Explain your academic background. Now describe your previous education. For example, my educational background includes a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science completed at the University of Toronto, which has prepared me for this next stage of academic advancement. This shows that your course progression is logical. Visa officers want to see that your chosen program aligns with your previous qualifications. Financial support. Now explain how your studies will be funded. Choose only one option. If you are paying for your studies yourself, write, "I will personally fund my tuition fees and living expenses during my studies. Evidence of sufficient funds is included with my application." You must include supporting bank statements. If a family member is funding your studies, write, "My studies and living expenses will be sponsored by my father, Michael Evans, whose financial documents and sponsorship declaration are enclosed." This clearly explains financial sponsorship. Supporting evidence is essential. If funded by scholarship, write, "I have received financial sponsorship from the Chevening Scholarship, which covers both tuition fees and living expenses." This confirms official sponsorship. Include your scholarship award letter. Confirm compliance with visa rules. Next, confirm your understanding of visa conditions. Example, "I confirm that I fully understand the conditions of the UK student visa route and will comply with all immigration regulations throughout my stay." This reassures the visa officer that you understand your legal responsibilities. Confirm your return plans. Now explain your intention after graduation. Example, "Upon completion of my studies, I intend to return to Canada to apply the knowledge and skills acquired in the United Kingdom toward my professional career as a data analyst." This is very important. It helps demonstrate that your purpose is temporary and education-focused. This supports genuine student intent. List supporting documents. Now list all supporting documents. For example, for your review, I have enclosed the following supporting documents: valid passport copy, confirmation of acceptance for studies, academic certificates and transcripts, English language proficiency certificate, financial evidence, tuberculosis test certificate if applicable, sponsorship or scholarship documents if applicable. This helps the visa officer review your application efficiently. It also shows that your submission is complete. Request for consideration. Now politely request approval. Example, "I respectfully request favorable consideration of my application." This keeps the tone respectful and professional. Offer further contact. Next, make yourself available for additional clarification. Example, "Should further information or documentation be required, please do not hesitate to contact me." This shows cooperation and transparency. Closing the letter. End with "Yours faithfully," then sign if submitting a printed copy. After that, write your full name. This is the correct formal UK closing for official visa correspondence. Before submitting your cover letter, carefully review everything. Make sure your CAS number is correct. All dates match your admission documents. Financial details are accurate. All supporting evidence is attached. Your letter is signed if printed. A strong UK student visa cover letter helps show that your study plans are genuine, financially supported, and fully compliant with UK immigration requirements. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you write your UK student visa cover letter properly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may need it, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional writing guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.